We have to get up. It's almost time to go to work. This is not normally what we do on a work morning. Usually we're up and playing, but Mom didn't want to get out of bed, so she just laid here with me. Look at that, look at that. So cute. Hi guys, it's Monday. I wanted to say it was Wednesday, but that would be wildly incorrect. I wish it was Wednesday because that means I'd have 2 more days of work. I am actually home on lunch break, so every day I get to come home, usually for about an hour, to feed this one because she eats breakfast, lunch, and dinner. She's about 7-ish months old. It just works out that I can come home and feed her and let her out to potty and all that. But usually I like to take this time to either watch TV, or I don't usually eat lunch now because we'll eat lunch at work, usually around 11-ish o'clock, maybe between 11 and 11:30. But today I got to come home a little earlier. Now I gotta find stuff to do. Like, should I go do the dishes? Do I want to? No. Should I? Probably. But I don't want to. I'm gonna look for anything else to do besides doing that. And then I go home in I go back to work in about 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna be making this slow cooker chicken nacho recipe. Let me go let my dog out first. She's whining. She has to be on a leash. We hook up to the railing for the downstairs. Should know how to keep her sniffer out of the cat food. And I'm like, nope, you don't play that game. Okay, so do 2 pounds of chicken, like a 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 cans of tomatoes, ground pepper, onion powder, and then a clove of garlic. So yeah, let's mix all of it. I had to go look at the recipe because it's on my pictures, and I didn't obviously. I've never made this, so I'm like trying to see how it turns out for the first time. Oh wait, that's a tablespoon. See, I'm already messing up. I almost messed up. I know this is not really probably how you should measure sugar, but here we are. And we need, so it's like a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, salt, pepper, and then a 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Couldn't think of it. Where'd the teaspoon go? Okay, there we go. And then you mix that, and then 2 cans of these diced tomatoes with chilies. Mix all that in a bowl. Usually I have music going, but my brother is asleep downstairs, so I can't. All right. I'm gonna go on a walk. Let me tell you, I love garlic with my entire soul. However, when I have to cook with it, it makes my hands smell like garlic for the entire day, and there's literally nothing that can get it off. Am I mad at it? No, but like sometimes it can be overwhelming. These tongs are abnormally long. If I have to touch it, I will. If I don't have to, I'm not going to. Let me show you here. This is our tomato seasoning mixture, and it is going right on top of the chicken breast. I might want to plug it in. And then I'm pretty sure I said on low 5 to 6 or 6 to 7 hours. I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna stick it on low on mine for like 8 hours. It's not gonna be in there that long. By the time I get home, it should be nice and almost done. And I'm not mad at it. I love crock-pot meals. Crock-pot meals are like A1, okay, when it comes to convenience. Look, more dishes. I'm so excited. So excited. Please tell me someone else has seen that Kevin Hart documentary on Netflix where he's talking about when he went to Japan and he's on the roller coaster. Every time I say so excited, that's exactly what I think of. Let that do its thing. It's so nice today. I wish I had more time. I really want to take her on a walk. I've been doing really good. I have been doing really good with training her because I wanted to make sure that whatever dog we got after Hennessy, I want trained, because Hennessy, my last pit bull, I'll put a picture of and show you. She was so chunky. Okay, we got her last year, about a year ago, roughly a little over a year ago, and she weighed 90 pounds. Now Theo, or Theodora, we don't call her that, we call her Theo. Huh, I'm beautiful. She is probably gonna be 45 pounds max. Whoever we got her from, let's just say, probably fed her so much people food because she is such a beggar. Like, if we have any inkling, she has any inkling that we have food in our near vicinity, she's like right on you, like, and she'll watch you like a hawk until you either drop it or put it where she can snatch it. So we're trying to get her like trained up, and it's really tough. I'm slowly teaching LJ to do it as well, but she does really good on walks. We just haven't been able to get on a walk lately because it's been negative 12 degrees outside. Today is like, the high is 64, which is prime walking time, except that I'll be at work and he doesn't get home until like almost 5. And I'm gonna see if maybe he can take her on a decent length walk, because I really want to get her out and walking, because it's very true what they say, guys. Puppies, when given the chance, will fuck everything up. If you leave them to their own devices long enough, they will fuck everything up, okay? So yeah, maybe the next clip you guys might see me walking. Well, I'm not really sure at this point. These things are so handy when you don't want to take your keys with you. I'm impressed we're actually getting out on this walk, to be honest. Yeah, we're not going in the car, we're gonna go on a walk. She does so good. We got her this on collar, but she does so good. Yes, girl. She's been doing really good at this. I was impressed. We would have used it on our other dog, but she actually passed away back in November, like the first week in November, from liver cancer, which was really hard. We got this little bean about a month later, I think. She is a ball of energy, we'll just say that. Lock myself in. It's non-conducive to me setting my phone up against the dashboard, okay? I need to get like a car mount or something, because I really want to do like morning talks. Is that like a weird idea? Like on TikTok or whatever, do like morning talks, because like for me, I find that my mind in the morning rambles about 50 miles a minute, you know? So I want to be able to share those ramblings, because sometimes they lead to good situations, and sometimes it's like, what the fuck are you, what? Why did that even pop in your head? And I want to capture all of those, except for the fact that this is my angle. Okay, let me try to sit up a little bit. Here we go. Oh yeah, I'm just a head in a steering wheel. Well, you know, at this point, fuck it. I feel like that is my life motto. As of late, I mean, it's pretty much always been my life motto. Sometimes you just gotta say fuck it. I say fuck quite a bit. It's bad. I'm a F-bomb dropper for sure. Also, I'm a lip picker. My lips, it's bad. They are so scabbed over, and I just keep picking them. Now, I do have medicated lip balm. Am I willing to use it? Absolutely not. Oh, hey, how's it going? Oh my god. I'm back. Well, sort of. I feel like this side of my head is just balding, and then it like provides me like a little bang to maybe try and cover it because it doesn't want to stay up. And I'm like, it's like balding. This is my drive back to work. It's only like 10 minutes to where I work. I've never seen more dead animals on the side of the road in my entire life than as I did like when I very first started. Always a deer, or 3 or 7, just lining the ditch. I'm always afraid I'm gonna look over and see like dead puppies or something, because people like to abandon their animals in the country. It's not really the country, but it's not in town. I don't know. I'm just afraid. I really also hate that when you're on your phone recording, well, the video doesn't look horrible, but what the fuck is that? Oh, looks like a cheeseburger box. What the fuck? It is a cheeseburger box. I hate when my phone's recording. Oh no, I'm gonna try to fix it, but you can't like flip around to the back-facing camera while you're filming on the front-facing camera. All right, well, I'm gonna head in. Gotta go in and just chill until he wakes up. It's a pretty nice day today. Little man and I are out on a walk. It's like 70 degrees. It's so much nicer than last week where it was like -12. It's fantastic. I feel like my hair is slowly turning to crap, but we're out here. We're doing the damn thing. He just kind of sits here and talks while I push him and listen to my podcast. Oh my god, there are so many dogs in this neighborhood that bark. It's crazy.